Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn message notifications on or off in WhatsApp for iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to find your WhatsApp on your iPhone and then tap on it to open it. So let me find mine. So here is my WhatsApp. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to tap on this settings, this geared icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on this, and after that you have to tap on this notifications, and you can see I have this notifications, this screen opened, and you can see here we have this message notifications, this section. You can see here we have this option, show notifications. So currently we have this option turned off. You can see the toggle is currently turned off. So in order to turn on, you have to tap on this toggle and next to this show notifications and move this slider to the right. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now turned on. And whenever you want to turn off that, then you have to tap on this toggle and next to this show notifications and move the slider to the left. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now turned off. But I want to turn on show notifications, so let me tap on this toggle and move this slider to the right. I'm tapping on it, and you can see it's now turned on. And after you're done setting up your option, you can go back to your chats screen. So let me go back. Okay, let me tap on this chats, this tab in this bottom menu, and I have this chats, this screen opened. So that's it. In this way you can easily turn message notifications on or off in WhatsApp for iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.